Hi dear subscribers, today I'll tell you about anatomical position. All anatomical descriptions are expressed in relation to one consistent position, ensuring that descriptions are not ambiguous. One must visualize this position in the mind when describing patients or cadavers, whether they are lying on their sides, supine, recumbent lying on the back, face upward, or prone lying on the abdomen, face downward. The anatomical position refers to the body position as if the person were standing upright with the head, gaze, eyes, and toes directed anteriorly forward. Arms adjacent to the sides with the palms facing anteriorly. Lower limbs close together with the feet parallel. At this image we can see right anatomical position of human body. Here is anterior view and here is posterior view. Superior direction, inferior direction, lateral direction. Here we can see medial line and here we can see medial line too. It's proximal part of upper limbs and distal part of upper limbs. Here we can see proximal part of lower limbs and distal part of lower limbs. This position is adopted globally for anatomical medical descriptions. By using this position and appropriate terminology, you can relate any part of the body preciously to any other part. It should also be kept in mind, however, that gravity causes a downward shift of internal organs, viscera, when the upright position is assumed. Since people are typically examined in the supine position, it is often necessary to describe the position of the affected organs when supine, making specific note of this exception to the anatomical position. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel. See you later.